Good day, guys. Welcome to Daily Life for You, and welcome to the episode of Tech Last Week. Customers of US bank Silvergate has withdrawn more than 8.4 billion US dollars in the last quarter of 2022. The bank had to sell 5.8 billion worth of its assets in order to stay liquid and to face the issues that they are facing because of the current market fluctuations in the cryptocurrency market. According to the Alan Lay, the CEO of Silvergate, say that the bank has to sell these assets in order to cover up the withdrawals cost and to keep up with the rapid changes in the digital asset industry. The second one is Android phones are going to get satellite connectivity. Qualcomm and Iridium have announced a partnership that will allow premium Android smartphones to connect to satellite for messaging and internet services in areas without mobile phone coverage. Qualcomm's chipsets are used in many of the Android phones, and the satellite feature will be available later this year. Apple also announced a similar feature like this for its iPhone 14, but it only sends messages in an emergency. The third tech news is WhatsApp going to enable messaging in internet blackouts. Instant messaging service WhatsApp is letting users to connect via proxy servers so they can stay online if the internet is blocked or disrupted by shutdowns. The technology giant owned by Meta said it hoped blackouts such as those in Iran never occur again. They denied human rights and cut people off from receiving urgent help. WhatsApp is urging its global community to volunteer proxies to help people communicate freely, and said it would offer guidance on how to set up one. Connecting via proxy maintains high level of privacy and security that WhatsApp provides it blocked. The fourth tech news is Apple's market cap falls under 2 trillion and sell-off continues. Apple's shares fell more than 3% during Tuesday's trading, resulting in market value of less than $2 trillion for the first time since May 2022. Apple first reached this valuation in August 2020 due to increased sales of products for remote work and school during the COVID-19 pandemic. However, the company experienced difficulties with iPhone shipments during the holiday season because of COVID-related restrictions at its primary factory in China. At the close of Tuesday's market, Apple shares were trading off at 52-week low of $130 per share, giving the company a valuation of $1.9 trillion. So that's all today on Last Week Tech. I will come back on next Sunday with another tech news for this coming week. Until then, see you again. Bye bye.